This is the solution video for section 5.4, problem number 6, parts D and E. So D says, write an equation that can be solved to find the actual value of k so that the point 4.2 comma k is on the curve. Well, if 4.2 comma k is on the curve, that means x is 4.2 and k is y, right? Or y is k. And so the original curve is negative 8x squared plus 5xy plus y cubed equals negative 149. So that just means that negative 8 times 4.2 squared plus 5 times 4.2 times k plus k cubed is equal to negative 149. So we can say that negative 8 times 4.2 squared plus 5 times 4.2, let's see, all right, 5 times 4.2 times y, which is k, plus y cubed, which is k cubed, equals negative 149. So this is an equation that can be solved to find the actual value of k. All right, and so then part E simply says solve that equation. Now, this is a calculator question, of course, and so we want to make sure we have the calculator skill involved to solve this equation for k. All right, so I'm going to go to my calculator. All right, so I have my calculator here, and what am I going to type in? I'm going to type in that equation into my y equals. Now, I could simplify, but there's no point, so I'm just going to write negative 8 times 4.2 squared plus 5 times 4.2 times x is the variable I'm going to use for k, plus x cubed. All right, so that is my equation equals negative 149. Now, what I could do is I could just add 149 and set it equal to 0 in order to find my value. Now, if I didn't, then I would have to go into y2 and type in negative 149. Then I would have to adjust my window and everything. Now, all I'm doing is looking for the 0. So I hit enter, and now I have my graph here. Now, we could adjust the window, but all I'm looking for is where this curve crosses the x-axis. And so I'm going to use the 0 function. So second trace 0. All right, I put my cursor on the left side. All right, and then I move to the right, put my cursor on the right side, and I can actually just type in my guess of negative 0.4, which is what I got in part C. And so I do that, and I get that x, or in this case, k, is equal to whatever that was, negative 0.373. So negative 0.373.